So there's one that has a special name called the Pineapple Express that sort of goes from Hawaii to California, called Pineapple Express because it starts in Hawaii. And so there are parts of the globe where you tend to get more atmospheric rivers, and the west coast of continents is one of them. But Australia and Asia is a bit weird because we get a lot on our east coast as well, which is unusual. So my work on Australian atmospheric rivers has sort of highlighted some of these differences to the traditional knowledge that they know in the Northern Hemisphere. So in Australia, not only do we get some of our most intense ones on the east coast, we also get atmospheric rivers that form closer to the equator. So you might have heard of the Northwest Cloud Band, which is, if you look at a picture of a satellite map on the news, and there'll be a giant band of cloud that stretches from northwest to southeast Australia. And it's like this sash over Australia. And so these sorts of versions of atmospheric rivers haven't been studied as much in the Northern Hemisphere because they're at a higher latitude. So the systems are just slightly different.
So you're focusing on the ones that people haven't paid so much attention to in the past.
Yes, particularly over our part of the world that sometimes gets neglected.
And this one you just described, this band across Australia, is this responsible for some of our rain systems?